everybody, welcome back to my channel, Ciena Eve. And today we're going to be talking about soaps. So the first step you want to do is get a box of glycerin. Usually you could get it on Etsy, Amazon, or usually eBay, but I bought mine on Amazon. So the first thing you want to do is get your glycerin. Cut it into 5 cubes, and place them in the microwave in a microwave-safe cup and put it in for 20 seconds. Now you're going to take it out. Just to warn you, it's going to be a little hot, so I would be prepared if I were you. I just hold the handle of a glass cup and I just hold the top. I'm fine. So make sure you're prepared for that because it'll be a little hot too. So now you're gonna keep it. You're gonna put it on the table, and you're gonna add your scents. For an example, you could add. Usually I add olive oil. Sometimes I add oatmeal. I'm working on oatmeal. I add lemon scents. I add, let's say, lemon and lavender. Okay, that's good. And I add a little sea salt on the top. I always do that. Well, sometimes. And then I put it in my mold. That's it. Just pour it in, wait for 1 hour. 1 hour to dry. Now we're gonna start talking about how to get it out. Now, right after that, you're gonna put it in your sink, rinse it out with cold water. Next, you're gonna wait, if it's still in your sink for a while now, it's been let's say it was hours now, and the cup is still in the dishwasher. Once it's dry and it's not hot anymore and it's all crusty, it'll be really easy to take your nails and your fingers and just scoop it out. It'll feel like slime. So you're gonna take that out, but I promise you, it will not stick to the carpet like slime, like real slime. So you're gonna take that out. You're gonna dig it out, dig it, and then just put it in the sink or in the garbage, whatever you want. Usually I drain it down the sink. So yeah, you drain it down. Make sure you wait for 1 hour. After it's been 1 hour, you feel it by touching your finger on it very lightly, or with a tool if you have one. I use my fingers and then I test it. I don't test it. Well, I do test it. Yeah, I test it. Sorry, guys. So yeah, we do that. And then you're gonna pop it out of the mold. Make sure you try not to break it. To be very gentle. It's not gonna be that fragile like glass, but you just take it out like a normal soap, and then you put it in. You wrap it off. I wrap it in with plastic, and then I put my label on it called Hope Soap. So yeah, that's what I do. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Make sure you slam that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you want me to tell you any more concentrated, if you want me to know how to boil oatmeal, do milk, some good combinations you could use. You could always ask me that, always. I check them every single day, sometimes a few times a week, and you could always do that.